Numerous studies have shown that Roma continue to suffer severe disadvantages in access to education, healthcare, public services, and decent living standards. In recent years, many projects have attempted to tackle these disadvantages. However, only a few of these projects have had any meaningful impact on the lives of Roma. The establishment of 12 Roma Information Centres in 2007 was a major step forward. These centres were intended to serve as one-stop shops to provide Roma with useful information and access to social services. Unfortunately, they were bogged down in administrative paperwork, and the staff of these centres lacked the skills and technology needed to adequately share information with the communities they were meant to serve. In order to address this problem, the United Nations Development Programme set out to answer this question. How can these essential services be made more effective and sustainable? We conducted 3 separate experiments that we hope might make a difference. What if citizens received support when and where they needed it instead of having to travel to a particular location for such support? We equipped one pilot information center with new IT tools, enabling it to provide services both in the office and the field. Roma outreach workers were equipped with smartphones and tablets, as well as online access to different forms that could be filled out on the spot. What if we could create a service delivery center from scratch? Young Roma and non-Roma graduates in IT, economics, and social sciences work directly with the center's clients to design a Roma Center of the future. Together, they came up with an all-inclusive model, offering both traditional and new services, such as access to employment opportunities and training. They also managed to make the most of IT technology to create tailor-made and flexible services for people with disabilities and the elderly, who had previously been neglected. If no Roma Center existed, how would people find the information they need? Using an online platform that collects all support opportunities for Roma, we turned to Roma high school students to share information in their communities. Which experiment worked the best? The Roma Center of the Future. Before, one Roma Info Center served 130 people per year. After, one Roma Info Center served 130 people per month. If you want to help the most vulnerable groups, it's important that you reach out to them directly, listen to them, and work with them to find the best possible ways to improve their lives.